Tachimanga. This is a Testlight app. Testlight is available on the App Store. If you're going to use this app, I recommend joining their Discord server. Testlight apps are invite only. What's good about Tachimanga and their server is that there are multiple ways of becoming a tester. Testlight is also available on the App Store. The problem with the App Store version is their limitations. They're also behind on the build version. Testlight has the newest features, while the App Store lags behind. Buying Premium will open a variety of premium features in both the App Store and the Testlight version. The premium prices are cheap, and buying Premium will get you an invite to the Testlight. Now, we're going to talk about the Tachimanga features and why I personally use this app, placing this app in the S tier of my tier list. Off the bat, you can change your app theme to light and dark mode. There are a variety of colors that make your app feel personalized. You can mess around with the color blend level to see what you like most. And there is a pure black dark mode to make Tachimanga feel even more personalized. There are a ton of app icons that you can choose from. This is something unique that I don't see across many manga apps. You can also change your display by changing your manga grid size, with the lowest being 100 and the highest being 390. I recommend staying between 187 and 149. I think these look the cleanest. You have your library, updates, browse, history, and more, which is your settings. By going to General and Default tab, you can choose how you want to open the app, whether it be your library or your updates. Now let's look at your reader features. Your tap zones indicate where you want to tap to go forward and backward while reading. You have L-shaped, right and left, edge, Kindle-ish, and no tap zone. There is also a variety of different reading modes, such as continuous, vertical, single horizontal left to right, single horizontal right to left, continuous horizontal left to right, continuous horizontal right to left, where I'll talk about the feature reader padding. As you can see, this basically just shrinks the images. This is to make reading more comfortable. Last but not least, there is single vertical and webtoon. A recent update allows for backup to iCloud Drive. If you're an Android user who uses Tachiyomi and is switching to iPhone, I suggest an app like Tachimanga or Mangayomi. These allow for the backup and restoring of all your data. Now we'll discuss your security options. You can require an unlock when first opening Tachimanga. You can also switch on incognito mode, which is self-explanatory. Lastly, you can secure your screen, so when opening the app, it automatically locks. Tachimanga's sources goes on for ever, and ever. This is time-lapsed. There are also a variety of different language sources. Since going through all of these can be a hassle, I recommend for English sources Manga C, as they only use official translations, Comic K, as it has one of the largest databases and high quality, Manga Fire for its similarity to Manga C, and definitely one of my favorites, Colored Manga. It's been around for a while, until their website was taken down. After a long waiting time, Colored Manga came out with a new website. They have the highest quality that I have seen by far from any manga website. Global Updates is a feature that you can do on the Updates page and the Library page by pulling down. If you go to General Settings, Open Labs, and turned on background downloading and updating, then you'll be able to download and update without having to stay inside of Tachimanga. This is a unique feature that isn't seen in many, if any, manga apps. Hey, there are a lot more features that I could have gone over, but this has already been one of the longest videos I've made. I don't want to make it longer. I recommend getting Tachimanga. It's the app that I currently use. I took enough of your time already. Goodbye.